Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You should begin in the Facebook app or on the desktop site, signed into your account. Enter the full phone number, including country code, into the main search bar and press enter. Sometimes Facebook resolves numbers to profiles. Once done, check Messenger threads and the People You May Know panel. Facebook may surface the contact if they shared that number. If nothing appears, make sure your app permissions allow access to contacts. Syncing contacts can reveal matches in the following steps. Next, enable Contact Sync in Facebook or Messenger settings so your uploaded contacts are compared to Facebook accounts. This often exposes a profile linked to that number. At the same time, consider privacy settings. The person may have restricted who can find them by phone number, so results vary. Try multiple search formats, plus and minus country code, with spaces or dashes, and search for associated names or nicknames stored in your contacts, because sometimes Facebook matches via the saved contact name rather than raw. To finish, confirm identity by comparing profile photos, mutual friends, and recent activity before you message. That reduces mistakes and awkward contact. If Facebook yields no match, use alternative paths such as WhatsApp or Signal if the number is registered there, or perform a reverse phone lookup for public listings. If you still get nothing, troubleshoot. Clear the app cache, update Facebook, resync contacts, or try the search from a different account. Sometimes visibility differs across accounts or after a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.